So what's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video here with your boy Noel Alba. Budget clean. So what I'm gonna show you today is, as what y'all see right here, I'm gonna be cleaning the mass airflow sensor with this sensor cleaner. Supposedly it works good. It is the first time I'm gonna try it. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but I've seen a lot of results that it was pretty good. So this is gonna be my point of view of if it works or not. But this is gonna be like a little quick video of how to clean it and what to do and how long to wait. So here's your mass airflow sensor right here. You can take off just this part right here, or you can take off just this with little screws right here. But what I'm gonna do is just take off this right here, the filter, where the filter's at. I'm gonna just take that and clean it out from there, because I really don't have nothing to take it off from the screws, but it'll still clean the same way. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. So there we go, guys. I already have it back on. Screw it back on and put this back on the clips, and then connect it and connect your battery back on. Well, that's it for today, y'all, on how to clean your mass airflow sensor with your boy Noel Alba Budget Clean. Stay tuned for more videos. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below. So take it easy and be safe out and about. Till next time. So as you can see that I already have the air filter taken off. You just got little clips, 2 here, 1 over here, and 1 in the back. And then you just gotta unscrew this right here. So all you gotta do is just twist it and it comes right off. Make sure you take off the air filter though. That's very important. Just put it aside, or make sure you look at it, clean it or something, change it out, put a new one. It's up to you what you want to do. So here's the sensor in here. There's a mass airflow sensor in there. You can pick it up through here, and you see, you can take it off from here, but I just don't have the tools for that right now. I just want to do a quick little video and show y'all. I'll be right back and showing y'all how to clean it. So this is on how you're gonna clean it. So what you're gonna do is spray inside here. You're gonna spray it through here to the inside, and then you're gonna spray it through the outside right here through this little hole. Make sure you don't get this electrical connection right here, because it'll mess up the whole thing. You can cover it or hold it with your fingers like this. It don't matter. Just make sure you don't spray in there. So you're gonna spray a little you're gonna spray a little bit right here, and then a little bit on this other side right here, like that. So here we go. Okay, I'm gonna switch it around. And this dries up real fast, so just be cautious. Okay. On the other side, a little bit more. And the other side. Okay, that's it right there. Make sure you shake out all the rest of the spraying from inside. Make sure you clean it out good. It should dry up by itself in a couple of minutes, maybe like 10 minutes. Or this dries up real quick, but wait like an hour for it before you turn it on. And you should be okay with that. If it doesn't work, maybe you just gotta change it out for a new one. This should be, for this car, like a 2004 Nissan Sentra 1.8. This should be around like $100 with lifetime warranty. So I'll be right back. I'm about to put it on. Stay tuned.